guys, welcome back to another hair review. Thank you to UNiceHair for sponsoring this video, and we're working with them. Let's go in and see what we have inside. In this bag we have edge band, some nails, and HD wig cap. Now this is the wig. This is a body wave wig. That for now, 24 inches body wave, 7x5 lace closure. Absolutely amazing. Let me tell you something. I've been rocking these closure wigs and they are perfect. Look at that lace. So like I said, it's 24 inches, already pre-curled. The curls are bouncy. Oh, I like that. And let's talk about the wig. So it's pre-everything. Pre-plucked, pre-bleach. Everything is pre-plucked, pre-bleach. You see that? Look at those knots. HD lace, yes. Now we are working with this cap right here, and it's a bye-bye knot wig, of course. So you have the C shape, the C ear shape, which is more comfortable for your ears, glassware, and it's very beginner friendly, of course. And it also have a adjustable band, of course. You guys know I love a comb at the back of all my wigs, and then you can also adjust the wigs. I love all my wigs with this. I just feel like the wigs with this cap is a little bit more snug. You can see the pre-bleach. Look at that. Look at those knots. Beautiful. So I absolutely love this. Look at it. We call this the smart cap size, okay? Which means one size fits all. So for the persons who think they have a smaller head, regular head size, or a bigger head, this is a one cap fits all. So you don't have to worry about that. We are gonna go, this is a very super simple hair again. We're gonna go in and we are gonna install. Look at those curls. I love how the knots are because it's HD, of course. So let's go and get into it. Look at that. Yes, super easy. Alright guys, let's go with the install. I'm gonna definitely add the cap to my head first things first. So let's just install the cap. And you guys already know I don't braid my hair down anymore, just because most of the time I'm wearing a glueless wig and it's just super easy for me to take it off at night. If I curl the wig or anything, it's gonna be super easy. So like this wig is already curled and it came labeled, so I like that. We're gonna adjust the band before I put it onto my head, just to see and make sure it's snug. So this is how you adjust the band. So now, oh yes. Yes, what? All right. So far, this is the wig. The wig do have curls. I think I'm gonna have to change my top so you guys can see. Let me go change my top and I will be back. We're gonna go in, start to style the wig. I'm definitely gonna leave it. I'm gonna do two styles. So the first one is gonna be this. I think I should have done my makeup before, but what I'm gonna do is we're gonna fix the top, kind of make it have that natural look. Now you guys can see how defined the curls are. Look at that. Yes. You know what I like? So Yes, so we're gonna go in and we're gonna make sure we have a deep parting. I'm gonna use the wax stick first, and then we are gonna go in with the hot comb. Then we're gonna add some mousse and we leave it down because we're gonna make it glueless. Did my makeup and I kind of shift the band a little bit just to check on it, and I like what I see. Like I said, let's see if the curl stands. Guys, are you kidding me? I need a comb. I am not even gonna put any curl into this because we're gonna make two different styles out of this wig. I like it. It's glueless, okay? Let's get the comb and do the test so you guys can understand that it is glueless. You see that? It is glueless. It's a glueless wig, which means it's a beginner friendly wig for all. So what you can do is any oil you have. I like to use this one. I do 1 pump, especially when the wig comes pre-curled and you just put it through. The wig is super light and it still looks bouncy. It is 150 density, okay? And look at that curl. You don't have to use baby hair. I just like to change up my styles, and also with the baby hair it gives it the illusion as to a frontal. But when I can tell you, if somebody asks, I'm like, girl, I can take this wig off and show it to you because it's glueless. The curls are amazing. Simple, very light, very lightweight, and the wig is snug onto my head. Okay, okay. The only thing is, I don't think this is a 24-inch. This seemed like a 22-inch or a 20-inch. This is definitely not 24 inches, so I might made a mistake on that. But look at that curl. I did nothing. Absolutely nothing. It's bouncy, the curls came as is. Love it. So this is the first style. I really want to do a style that I put 2 plaits right here. I think we can probably do a updo hairstyle. I'm gonna see how I'm gonna do the next hairstyle. I'm just gonna go in, take a picture of this one, and I will be back. All right guys, this is a couple minutes later. Love the length. It's definitely not 24 inches, so it's giving like a 20-inch, but I told you guys it's glueless. We're gonna try and see what other hairstyle we can do with this, and I'm an Updo girly, so let's try and create something with an Updo and see how that's gonna work. Remember, the wig is glueless.
My love for granted, and you just wanna see it your way. Yeah, it's about that time.
Alright guys, now the easiest updo you can do with a wig, especially for a closure wig, because it is a closure wig, is to use a claw clip and do a pin-up. Very easy. All you gotta do is pull down the sides so you get that illusion as if it's not a closure, because we don't want this to show. Okay, so what I did was pull down the side. You can even go ahead and add some baby hair if you have, but for now we're keeping it really simple because we already have the baby hair right here, so we're gonna leave that. And I did 2 outs because it's just a classy look to always leave 2 out. Now I did the pin-up and I'm gonna go around the back and we're gonna look at it. Hopefully you guys can see how it looks side to side. Absolutely love it. Think it's stunning, and just a claw clip and you can do an updo. So this wig is so versatile, where even though it's a closure wig, you can do what you want. Okay, love it. Love that. For me, the curls are curling because they're the same, and they're the same pattern for the 2 that I leave out. As you guys can see, I'm gonna show you guys again because I have this wig on for probably 2 hours now, and there we go. Then we have soft combing baby hairs at the side because I use mousse. So even if you want the illusion as to a frontal wig, then make sure you do soft combing baby hairs. Okay, this is it. Love it. All you gotta do is pin up the hair. So I'm gonna keep it like this for now, but thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this wig, and you can get it. Make sure you guys check the description. The link is there. The same exact wig. You guys didn't see me use any curler in this, which means when you purchase this wig, it's gonna be super easy for you as well. All you gotta do, take it out the pack, put it on your head, style, simple. Anybody can use a hot comb. Anybody, okay? It's just eat and you be careful with it. So make sure you check the description. The direct link will be there, and their website as well. So thank you again to UNice for sponsoring this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye y'all.